Hi, this is Jacqueline Bloomfield with my Week 5 Bio 240 lab video, which is respiratory physiology. And in this video, I'll be taking 4 different steps essentially to gather the tidal volume of a breath that I would take on average. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to count the number of times I breathe in a 30-second period. So I have a stopwatch off to the side, and I will set it to 0, and at 30 I will have counted each breath. So each breath is 1 inhalation and exhalation. That counts as 1. So I'm going to count for 30 seconds. Okay, so at the end of 30 seconds, I have 3 breaths. So I will write that down. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to take my balloon, which I have stretched out a bit and inflated so that way it's loose, it's flexible. And without gathering too much air, just typical regular breath, I'm going to inflate this as much as I can. Okay, so I'm just going to wrap this up so it doesn't lose its air. And with my tape measurer, I'm going to measure in centimeters the circumference of my balloon. Okay, so I have 49 centimeters for my circumference, which I'm going to write down. Okay, and from here, I need to calculate my radius. So in order to do that, I'm going to divide my circumference of 49 centimeters by pi squared, which is 6.28. So I'm going to go 49 divided by 6.28, and that equals 7.8. So that'll be my radius. Okay. Now for my radius, I'm going to go ahead and calculate the volume of my balloon, which is the tidal volume of my average breath. So to do that, there's an equation here, which is 4 pi radius to the 3rd power divided by 3. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Okay, and I end up with a volume of 1986. So 1986 is essentially my tidal volume for an average breath. Thanks for watching.